Okay, we'll start with the power section. And the prerequisites are both batteries plugged in. They must be plugged in. You cannot substitute a power supply. Both disconnects turned on and external power applied and selected on. Pitot heat relates to the auto slat. The first thing we want to see right here is we want to go switch on. We want to see 3 powers. That's 3 different buses that power the box normally. FS-ECU must be plugged in. Certain features of this box will work with no FS-ECU, but only certain. It just makes sense. I mean, you can probe each incoming bus, is powered. Each incoming bus has a LED on it. Generally, we'll leave the reset delay in 10 seconds. That means anytime you want to, you can go in the airplane, press the white button on the FS-ECU, and it will immediately reset instead of 20-minute delay. You can leave no motion selected. That takes out a no motion safety. A couple other test points that are not really specific. This note here, where's the note? Oh, here we are. Use blue common for green and yellow. So anytime we're looking at something that is like airframe ground, we're on something like a black test pin, and then we go to like a hard 28 and we see 28. Why am I not testing 28 there? And we see 28. Now then, if we're going to a blue, like a common, that's similar to a ground, it's not ground. And we might be able to test minus 12 on the meter, plus 12 on the meter. Makes sense. Some of those are not showing right now. Angle of attack is just you put your reference in the blue. You see a reference voltage, and then we can go run the angle of attack up and down, or we can run the angle of attack vane up and down and see the voltage here. Cockpit annunciators are reproduced slat unbow, flap unbow, AOA heat. You can defeat the AOA heat from here. Slat out, because right now the slats are down, and then auto slat active or inactive. These are the cockpit annunciators that are just repeated here on this box. So that's the power section. Cautions down here at the end of the page. Do not attempt to run without batteries. Do not try to make the slats and flaps run with ground power only. Do not do that. The rest of it's just labeled and fairly self-explanatory.